All right, AP Stat, in this video we're in Unit 3 and we're looking at example 16. We have a track coach who wants to know whether his long distance runners are faster running the track clockwise or counterclockwise. So we are going to design an experiment that uses a matched pairs design to investigate the question, explain your method of pairing. All right, so we talked a little bit about this in the basic unit notes, but now we're going to address it more thoroughly with this example. So anytime we are looking at a matched pair design, and I know I've got a lot of stuff written here, so we're going to talk through that. A matched pair design would be that, okay, I've got all my runners, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to time each of those runners so that I can match people up in a pair based on how fast they run the mile. So let's say I've got 10 students here, and let's say my fastest runner is student number 8. All right, and then they go decreasing down to the slowest runner. Let's say, I'm just going to make stuff up, kids. Now, did I account for all 10 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm a machine. All right, so my fastest runner is runner 8. My next fastest runner is number 6. So I'm going to take these two guys here because I'm assuming their times are pretty close together. And what I'm going to do is I want each of them to experience both of the track running clockwise and counterclockwise, because remember, this is a matched pair design. So I'm going to pair people up. I'm going to randomly select one of them to do it one way while the other one does it the other way. Then they're going to switch. So I've got both of the people in the pairs experiencing both treatments. All right, so for instance, in this pair right here, I'm going to flip a coin. If it lands on heads, that means that 8 gets clockwise. That means that 6 gets counterclockwise. So when I flip my coin, let's say it lands on heads, that means this runner right here, number 8, runs counterclockwise. Runs clockwise, and 6 runs counterclockwise. Then they'll take a rest, and then they'll go and they'll flip. So 6 will run it counterclockwise, 6 will run it clockwise, 8 will run it counterclockwise. They'll switch. Okay, so that's basically what I have written down right here. So the thing you have to remember is that when you're looking at a matched pair design, you're going to pair them up based on similarity. So my pairs are going to be paired up in a way that in this case, their times are pretty close to each other. And then I'm going to flip a coin to decide which one gets which treatment first, and then they're going to switch, and they're each going to be exposed to both of the treatments so that I can compare them based on their previously established times, which should be a similar characteristic. Anyway, hope that clears it up. I know it's confusing. The more you practice it, the better you'll get.